Get it. Come on, baby. Come on now. Oh my God. Yes. Oh boy. Oh my
I had to
God.
take a shot. I don't know if you saw him or not.
I didn't even see
You had no clue. Dude, I turned around and I seen his white head just looking. And I seen him blow up and he came right up here next to it and I had one little gap. I said, I better shoot him while I can. Dude, what time is it?
It's not even 7:20.
It's 7:16. We shot him at 7:15.
7:15.
Boy. I thought I'd miss him. He shot and didn't do. I didn't see him.
Yeah.
What just happened? Dude. Are you serious right now? Dude. What in the heck?
Did you hear him fly down?
Yeah.
I heard him fly down, yeah. I thought he flew down more this way. I couldn't tell.
I couldn't tell. Dude, he had to pitch down right here in this thing and work around it.
Work around, yeah.
Or either that way.
Or, yeah, come down
First
this way.
place I seen him was right here.
He'd probably come up from, yeah, from right here. Come right around, right here.
He was decent.
Yeah, dude, fine, but yeah, fine. All right.
Well, Lord.
First one of the 2020 season.
I can't believe that just happened.
When he didn't gobble anymore, I was like, I think he's got to be, yeah, he's about to come up on us.
I wish you could have seen him because it would have been perfect.
I know.
But I had to shoot.
I couldn't. I saw you. I heard you click your safety off, and I turned the camera that way. Couldn't see nothing. And I was sitting there. I was like, I could see you getting like your head on your gun. I said, oh, he sees him. And about that time, I saw you put your head on there real fast, and I saw your finger on the trigger. I said, oh, here we go. He's about to shoot. But all right.
What now? What do we do now?
Go to Jessup. Try to get on one. Let's go. All right.